Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's the story of Solomon. And it's got a speech bubble saying to him in a dream, "What do you want me to give you?" This is how we make it. Yeah, that's Solomon all snugly in bed, and I've coloured it in, and this is all the coloured bits, and then I've bent these tabs over to make them nice and flexible, and then I folded this over in half, make that nice and flexible like that. And this line here is a guide for me to stick my, yes, have I done that one? Yeah, I've stuck these tabs underneath, so they're not, if they were stuck on top they would go over the writing. So I put double-sided sticky tape on the front of those, and then I can put that one over and stick that down so that this line lines up with the fold on the background, and this line just covers up the line so you don't see that one. Okay, so now we've got to stick this side down, so this is easy. So you stick that over like that. I like this because it's so simple. And then you fold that one over like that, and then make this, take this double-sided sticky tape cover off, and it's all sticky, all sticky. So then you can fold this one over like that, and then we get ta-da! Well, I'm sure you've had fun making that. God bless, and see you next time. Remember to ask God for wisdom. Bye.